Guys, this isn't gonna end well. We're doing the impossible quiz. And, well, I did one a couple years ago and it didn't end well. Let's just say it didn't end at all. Let's continue. Slap me, do the quiz, the impossible quiz. Let's get into this. How many holes in a polo? 3, 1, 4. Yay! Can a matchbox? No, but a tin can. Oh, I called it. I'm just guessing. Scrockabudkush. What? Sihitu ruins. KO? Oh! Click the answer. Ha! Suckers! Put the mouse on here. Don't touch the blue. How am I supposed to do this? What? That is impossible! Let's try that again. I'm back. Oh! I did it! I just held my click button. Okay, I'm fine with that. Onion. Shallots. The answer is really big. Really big. Answer. No! Why are you doing this to me? Go back. Shallots. The answer is really big. An elephant. Of course it's an elephant. Search. What do you mean? What do you mean search? Hey, I've been on here for 5 minutes. And I can just find these no's. Yes! I found it. I found it. It's okay. I did it. Search. Again? Yes. Okay, there you go. What was the answer to question 2? The answer. It was the answer. It was the answer. It was this one. No, it was that one. It was this one. No! I don't like this game. Okay, I beat it. I just... It was one in the top right corner. Let's go. Choose food. 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 Food? Food? No, that's not food. Food? Oh, it was right. December 3rd. Follows December 2nd. A question mark. What? There's a question mark right there. I have my mouse on it. 142 dwarves. N does not follow it. Oh, that's annoying. That's not the smallest. That's the smallest. Yeah, there we go. What sound does a bell make? Flip flop. No, that's not a bell sound. I'm back. Fatang. Yeah! Drop a deuce. What can you put in a bucket to make it lighter? A hole. What? Canned gypsy. Canned laughter? No! It has to be gypsies. No! Why are you doing this to me? Okay, let's do this. It's a torch, isn't it? How does a torch make it lighter? I don't understand. Nay, Winnie, pretty Uyab as difficult Nijikel Zizikazabunamum. Oh, so I can click the letters? What? What am I supposed to do here? Oh no. Nay, Winnie. Don't do this to me. I'm never gonna guess this. Oh, I'm done. Nope. No! Oh my gosh, I don't get it. I've been guessing for like 5 minutes. Is it an H? No, H. Oh! Yes! R. No, I clicked it twice! I clicked it twice! This game, it hates me. I get it now. H. O. R. S. E. That's mean. That's mean. 7th letter of the alphabet. A. Oh, it's trying to trick me. ALPHABET. It's T. What? Alphabet. What? No. CDEFG. It's G. Nope, it's not G. Is it J? Is it I? I hate this game. Ugh! What is the 7th letter of the alphabet? H? Wow. It's not H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's G! These guys are liars, guys. -7. Walrus. Why are you doing this to me? Why? 24 minus 7 is 17. 18. This question mark is what is it? What is it? It's 17. It's 17! I hate this game. Stop. What? Stop. Stop. I have 2 lives. Stop. Fuck it! I'm skipping it. Sorry, guys. I have to. Color in the correct order. What? Okay, guys. We're moving on to another game. I can't do this anymore. Addicting games. We're playing Monster Truck Demolisher, everyone! And we're gonna destroy it. Let's get into this. Let's play. Play the game. Level 1. Oh, jeez. Let's play level 1. Oof. This guy is amazing. We're doing this one. Let's get into this. Get out of here. Demolish you. Reach, go. I love how, like, when we hit, like, the nitrogen oxide gas, it, like, blows up. Boom, boom. Oh, it's because it has his thing on it. Okay, let's knock you over. Get out of here. Look how high I'm going. I am a master monster trucker. Go. Up the. Yes. Pro. Master Pro. Click to continue. We're gonna play level 12. We're just going straight into this. Nope, we're not gonna stop. Jump! No! I don't like you anymore. Jump! No! Okay, yep, I don't like this game either. Next! The world's easiest game. I am going to be good at this, because I'm good at easy games. Welcome to the world's easiest game. Your reputation as an intelligent individual precedes you. However, that is not the same of the game today. What? That, however, is not the name of the game today. I am Queasy Cat, and due to unfortunate condition, cannot stand the sight of difficult questions. All of the following questions will be easy. I mean really easy. Don't make them difficult, or you will fail. Like me, you will get 9 lives, and only 9. I'll be timing, so get ready. What is my name? Wait, no. It's Brett. Next. Yes, I am correct. What shape is a round red ball? It's circle. It's sphere. Wait, what? What is round rubber ball made of? It's made of rubber. Yeah! Yeah! I like this game! It's better than the impossible quiz. What is the capital of New York? Albany. Yes! Thank you very much. 2. Incorrect. Are you kidding me? Put the ball in the basket. Put the ball in the basket. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yay! I did it. Correct! I like this game. The continent is a celebration of how many years? I have no idea. 5. Maybe not. Small plane crashed. Every single person on board died. Select who survived. Done. Yay! Yes, nobody survived. What do you put in a toaster? Waffles. What? Toast? Toast? Is it toast? How many questions have you answered so far? No. 10! I can see it just up here! Yes! What? What? Oh, that's me. Wait 12 seconds. I can do that. $5 per year. A time guarantee. What? Yay! I did it! I'm so happy. Oh, kill the zombies. Grenade. We need a grenade. Yeah! Grenades all the way! Grenades all the way. Bazookas. Which one is the United States? Ding, ding, ding! What shape is this? It's a triangle. Yay! I did it. What color is my dog? Blue. Incorrect. Swim to safety. Run. Yay. Yay! How many cups in a quart? 3. 2. What? How many quarts in a gallon? There's 4. I know it's 4. There we go. There we go. Oh my gosh. First of all, look at the cat up in the left corner. He doesn't look too good. Let's say that. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 7 12. 4 plus 7. It's 11, right? Yeah, it's 11. 11 minus 7. 4. It's 4. It's 4. It's got to be 4. Yay! How many sides does a square have? 4. Ding, ding, ding. I love this game. Okay, but I think we're done now. Next! We need a picture to end this video. We need a derpy Pokemon. Let's see here. Let's check it. Number 1, derpy Pikachu. Number 2, derpy dragon person spitting beams out of his mouth. Let's go to the next one. And number 3, derpy Pikachu, Charmander, Squirtle, and Bulbasaur? Yeah, Bulbasaur. And we're gonna end on that. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe. And if you want to see more of me being mad at stupid quizzes, then please leave a like, and please comment below on what you would like to see more of, or something new of. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Video. Good.